Assalamu alaikum. Dears, today I will discuss about MCQs for the preparation of botany in various competitive exams. I request to all those friends that still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel for further videos. So let's move towards our video lecture. The first MCQ is: ozone can be destroyed by the following free radicals. The right option is D, all of these. Montreal Protocol is related to the right option is D, ozone layer depletion. This is related to glycosylation of protein. The right option is D, endoplasmic reticulum. The main organelle involved in modification and routing of newly synthesized proteins to their destinations is, the right option is A, endoplasmic reticulum. Which of the following gene helps in identifying transformed cells? The right option is B, selectable marker. If the plasmid and the foreign DNA are cut by the same restriction endonuclease, recombinant DNA can be formed by joining both by, the right option is C, ligase. The DNA molecule used for integrating foreign gene for cloning is called, the right option is A, vector. The Ti plasmid is found in, the right option is A, Agrobacterium. Replication of plasmid DNA other than initiation is controlled by, the right option is A, that is bacterial gene. Antibiotics are used in genetic engineering. They are useful, the right option is D, as selectable markers. A single-stranded radio-labeled molecule of nucleic acid is called, the right option is C, probe. A vector that can clone only a small DNA fragment is, the right option is B, plasmid. In ecological succession, the intermediate developmental phase is known as, the right option is D, sere. This is not a climax stage. The right option is D, hydrophytes. On the sand, ecological succession is, the right option is D, samosaur. Process of the successful establishment of species in a new area is known as, the right option is C, axis. Which of the following hormone can replace vernalization? The right option is D, gibberellins. When the dark period of short day plants is interrupted by brief exposure of light, then the plant, the right option is B, will not bear any flowers. Which of the following pigment involved in red, far red light interconversion? The right option is C, phytochrome. Claudini vent theory is based on, the right option is A, phototropism. The earliest phase of synthesis of gibberellin occur in, the right option is A, plastids. The gibberellin involved in flowering is, the right option is D, GA9. Tertiary roots are, the right option is B, ageotropic. Nematophores show, the right option is C, negative geotropism. Movements of leaves of the sensitive plant Mimosa pudica are due to, the right option is A, seismonosty. In Drosera, movement of tentacles are, the right option is D, thigmonostic. Meroblastic kind of embryo development occurs in, the right option is A, Pinus. Lycopyran is an example of, the right option is C, both positive and negative regulation. In Lycopyran, the gene product of LAC-A gene is, the right option is C, beta galactosidase. Which one of these is commonly used synthetic oxygen? The right option is A, NAA. Influences the process of flowering in plants. The right option is A, photoperiod influences the process of flowering in plants. Phytochrome is a photosensitive pigment involved in, the right option is C, photoperiodism. In which of the following living species phytochrome, the blue-green pigment, is found? The right option is C, flowering plants. Thanks to all of you. Thank you very much.